For the past decade, GoPro has been the go-to brand for action cameras. And with every new upgrade, they have ensured a higher resolution, better stabilization, and many more essential features, bringing them to the top of the action camera realm. So, those who love GoPros are probably waiting for the Hero 11 Black, which is expected to get some mind-blowing upgrades. To find out more about the upcoming GoPro Hero 11, watch till the end, as in this video, we will be showing you the rumored leaks and expected features of the upcoming GoPro 11. Though GoPro has been introducing new features over the years, one thing that hasn't changed for the last few years is its form factor. And for the Hero 11, we are likely to have the same square-shaped camera with dual display. This isn't bad actually, as it allows you to clearly visualize the frame from each side. Besides, it's better not to try to fix something that isn't broken. However, GoPro might change the logo color as the rumors suggest. Talking about the resolution, GoPro has been quite impressive, providing an outstanding 5.3K resolution with the Hero 10. And as we have seen from the previous generation, GoPro tends to up the resolution with every new model. So, we might see the Hero 11 being able to shoot at 6K 30fps or at least 5.7K at 30 frames per second. As for the slow motion videos, we are expecting the camera to shoot 4K videos at 240 frames per second, allowing you to capture mesmerizing shots up to 8 times slower. With the Hero 10 Black, GoPro introduced an all-new processor GP2, and it offers better image processing along with decent low-light performance. But with proper AI technology and a new sensor, the Hero 11 might provide even better photos and videos even in low lights. Another great perk of having a GoPro is its stabilization. The current Hero 10 features HyperSmooth 4.0 that offers outstanding electronic image stabilization. To enhance it even more, the upcoming Hero 11 is likely to introduce a better version of fisheyes, HyperSmooth 5.0, which will ensure shake-free footage no matter how harsh the condition gets. However, these are the features that we might see with the upcoming Hero 11, but we would like to see some more upgrades and improvements that would make it the best action camera. First of all, GoPro needs to fix the heating issue. With the Hero 10, you would merely be able to shoot for more than 30 minutes as the camera shows a heating warning and shuts down. The Insta360 ONE RS on the other hand can keep recording for more time without any drawback. So, we would want GoPro to look into this matter. Another upgrade that we would love to see is adding a more customizable lens mod. Though GoPro has already developed an extremely durable Max lens that offers a 155-degree field of view, nowadays, other action cam brands offer more versatile lenses to fit your needs. Keeping that in mind, GoPro should bring out some new lens mod options for the Hero 11. For the price, GoPro has launched the previous action cameras almost at a similar price point, and we're hoping to see a $500 price tag for the upcoming Hero 11 as well. And with all these upgrades, the next-gen action camera from GoPro will be launched around September this year. The Hero series is already ruling the action camera market, and if GoPro actually manages to solve the heating issue and allow you to shoot higher resolution videos for longer hours, this will certainly be the action camera to look out for. What more upgrades would you love to see with the upcoming Hero 11? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.